Welcome everybody to our show. This is Custom Fab Garage on our channel OCTANE TV on YouTube. Make sure you go down below and hit that subscribe button, and on top of that, make sure that you hit the notification bell so that you can get all the new content that comes out weekly and even every day. Video today, kind of talk a little bit about what we have done to this vehicle. This is a Ford F250 from one of our really good customers, Preston. He drove this vehicle all the way down from Chicago. It was in the middle of the winter in the snow, so this video is a little bit it's from the past. It's probably about 1.5 years, 2 years ago. We're a little behind on videos from the custom fabrication part, so we want to make this video today to kind of show every single thing that we've done to this F250, all the custom door panels, custom build in the back, box, all the audio. The one thing about this vehicle was it was sponsored by DS18, so the equipment itself, the DS18 equipment itself, is not from us. So that was provided by him. Everything to the wake tower speakers, the bars, all that will include all the parts and everything that we used in this, but that was not part of our agreement. Now, we did get some audio dynamic stuff, including like a DSP and subwoofers and stuff like that to help him out, because DS18 just did not have that stuff in stock. So I just want to let everybody know we are not a DS18 dealer. We do not represent DS18 in any way, shape, or form. Audio Dynamics we are a dealer for, so if there is anything you need from them, we can get you helped out with that. DS18, unfortunately, we cannot, but I want to leave all the part numbers and everything we use in case if you do want to buy DS18. I think it's readily available over the internet. But this video today is going to show you a lot about the fabrication. This is going to be a multi-part series of what the vehicle looked like before when we got it, kind of what we went through to build everything, and then the actual final result of when it was finished. So this was a very large build for us, especially with the time frame that we had and what we had to do in the middle of moving shops as well. So I'll be kind of going over everything in this video of what we went through the whole custom fabrication, wiring, and everything like that in this video today. So just to give everybody a perspective on DS18 amplifiers, because these are class AB, they are very inefficient. I don't even know the THD on these or what they're even rated at. I'm not sure. I can't see them being very good. This is the AD amplifier I sell. Same this is a 4-channel. This is a 4-channel. This is class D, little different, internals, but I have this in my car. We're getting ready to hook this up in this truck, but look at the size difference. You could probably fit 3 of these compared to one of these DS18 amplifiers. Like, actually you could probably even do 4, but here's how big the AD amplifier is in size comparison to the DS18. And I've got to put 4 of these in this truck. 4 of these. I could basically put 4 of these and equal what one of those amps does. And think about the current draw. This thing draws way less current than this. So that's kind of insane to me. This part of the video, we're going to be showing you what DS18 product that we had used. We'll put all the numbers in the video, and we'll put the numbers down in the description down below. So if you want to buy any of this product, you're more welcome to look it up and buy it on the internet as well. We will put Amazon links if it is available with Amazon. We will try to put links down in the description. That'll be down in the description below. I'm going to try to, make this as thorough as possible of all the stuff that we use, so that way if anybody wants to buy any of this stuff, you're more welcome to buy it. We'll put more information down in the description below of all this audio equipment that we used in this vehicle.
Here's where we're running into the problems is these surfboards are so long that they're just so big. There's no room. There's no room in the underneath this seat as it is. These things are massive, massive. They're like, I would call them surfboards. They're like from 1999 amplifiers. Craziness. These are what we're going to be putting in the bed. Hopefully these are really cool. We're going to be doing 4 of them, 4 8-inch. So basically with these things being ungodly large, this is why I love Neo magnets, because you don't have to deal with this situation, but these things are like mini 6-inch subs. These magnets are massive, which in turn makes it way harder to be able to get these to fit where he wants them to go. So this is going to be really difficult to do. Everything on this truck's going to be hard.
This next part of the video is kind of what we went through with the door panels. You'll see that every single part of this was not the easiest. The DS18 magnets are so large that it screws up the mounting depth for us. So we ended up having to cut out part of the door panel. We ended up having to cut out part of the door skin, the metal. So this was not an easy process by any means, mainly because of the size of those magnets. When we use DD Audio or Audio Dynamics, we use a Neo magnet, so it kind of helps us with the actual mounting depth and everything like that. So this was a tougher task to do, mainly because of those magnets and the mounting depth and the tweeter size and everything like that. So in this video, it may not show a whole lot of that, but just understand we did have to cut out a lot to get all this stuff to fit, especially to not push it out of the door panel to make it where it was sticking out and it looked, gaudy and things like that. We didn't want it to look, we wanted to try to keep it as OEM looking as possible. So if you're wondering why there's things that we had to do to cut out and do things like that, it's all because the mounting depth and size of the magnets on these speakers.
Here's the rear and factory Sony sub and amplifier down there. We're gonna have to remove all of it. Everything's gonna have to come out to be able to put these subs back here. And these are the factory rear door panels. We're gonna take those off and start fabricating for the speakers to go into there. A little kind of before, and then we'll show you what they look like afterwards. We're gonna start by taking off this 7mm, this 7mm, and another 7mm down here. So there's 3 7mm on this door panel holding it in. Now we've removed this bolt, this bolt, this bolt. The door panel will just slide up and you can just slide the door panel off, which is really nice. 2 things you want to unplug is this, which you clamp down right here. And then you want to unplug this if you have the Sony. You just unplug that and pull it off. And then the door panel will be off. And that's how everything comes off. This is pretty much what we're going to be doing with the door panels. 1 6.5, 1 Tweete. That's pretty much how we're going to run it. it.